Hello, everybody. Hey, I'm out here for Allan's BalikBayan boxes out here in Fargo, or I should say, I wouldn't say North Dakota, but it's Fargo, Georgia. So I'm here. I'm going to release three birds for them to fly back to Tampa, which is about 250 miles, maybe 300 kilometers. So anyway, here we are. We're going to prepare. We're going to release these birds. Come on, here we go. Ready? And they are off and on their way home. There you go, Allan. They should be there very soon. I think they're getting their bearings. They're flying kind of like different directions. So, anyway, here you go.